promises written in the sky. Just us, standing close. We found each other slowly in everyday time. Coffee cups and long toes, your hand fitting in mine. It wasn't loud or perfect, it stayed. I saw a future quietly take shape. I promised to stay right here with you when days feel plain and real. Nothing fancy, nothing fragile, just love we feel. We learn to say we're sorry, learn when to let things go. Built a life from patience, more than we'll ever show. The best parts never needed words. I trust the way we are. I promise to stay right here with you when the world feels loud outside. I don't need more than this moment and you by my side. We'll make room for change, we'll make time to care. Choosing each other daily is our prayer. I will walk with you through all the years ahead. Not because it's easy, because it's true. If love is simply staying, I'm staying with you. No big ending, no grand show, just us going home. I promise to stay right here with you. I've gone blind. I will walk with you through all the years ahead. I promise to stay right here with you when days feel plain and real. Nothing fancy, nothing fragile, just love we feel.